Greetings, class. I just wanted to give you a little bit of information about the Collaborate session so you know what to expect as we go through the semester. The first 10 minutes of each session will be a general discussion and answering questions about the course, assignments, or anything course related. And that will be true with every session. Of course, if we don't need to use the 10 minutes, we can move on into other topics. But that's the general idea at the beginning of each session. Now, in terms of the structure of each session, most of the time I'll do a combination of mini lectures, M-I-N-I, as you can see on the PowerPoint. So short lectures of 5-10 minutes, discussion, asking questions, and then going back to mini lectures. Now, when we get to the discussion and asking questions part, please wait for me to call on someone. So I may ask a question and you're sure you know the answer. Please wait and let me call on someone because I want to make sure that everyone in the class has an opportunity to answer questions during the course of a session. I would also ask that you be patient while that person types his or her response. Sometimes it takes a while to type in answers. Not everyone types as quickly as everyone else, so please just be patient, even though you may already know the answer. I noted that I will randomly call on anyone present to answer questions, so wait for me to call on that person, and then again, be patient. It's really, really important. That's why I've highlighted it twice. And I do expect to give you a break during each of these sessions. The sessions are 90 minutes. The break would be about 5 to 7 minutes, somewhere in the middle of the session. If for some reason I forget the break, time has passed, please feel free to send me a private note that's directed just to me to remind me that it's about break time or that we've passed break time. Now, how do you communicate during the session? Well, you can use video if you want. You can use a microphone or you can use text chat. I know that a lot of students tend to like to use text chat, and that's fine. But if you have a microphone and you want to test it, feel free to do that. If you think you're going to use your microphone, though, I would just ask that you arrive a few minutes early to test a video or a microphone. Sometimes it may work fine, like during the orientation, the Blackboard orientation, but then when you actually try it for the class, it may not work right or may need a little bit of adjustment. So make sure that you arrive early to test the video and the microphone. Generally, I open the sessions about 15 minutes before the actual session time starts. I'll probably use a microphone and text chat. Now, a couple of things related to etiquette. Please don't write on the whiteboard unless I ask you to do so. I may disable that feature if it becomes an issue. Second, please call me Ida during the session. It's much faster and easier to type than Professor Jones or Dr. Jones. Just call me Ida. I would ask also that if you're responding to other students' comments during a course of a discussion, preface any responses with that student's name. That makes it easy to follow the transcript of the chat or to follow the recording when there's a name prefaced before the student that you're making the comment to. Also note that you do have the ability to chat with each other privately, but that I am monitoring that private chat that's between students. So just so you're aware that I am listening in, so to speak. The end of the session, the final 10 minutes will include a wrap-up and any questions or final comments. I usually try to take that time to summarize what we've talked about during the course of the session. Okay, so that's it. I just wanted to give you a little preview of what to expect in the Collaborate sessions.